You can make money while you sleep. Passive income.
Oh, well, sign me up. I could do with a nap right now.
Making passive income with no financial investment whatsoever is absolutely possible.
Perfect. So, should I just head to the beach now and wait for the money to come in, or?
The quickest way to not be on a beach in Mexico is to think that passive income exists.
Oh, Wait. There's a lot of talk about this topic, but here are the unbiased facts. Is passive income real? Yes, 100%. I earn passive income myself, and you definitely can too. But does that mean it's as easy as just getting paid for doing nothing? No. Which sounds contradictory. How can it be passive income if it still requires work? Well, the reality is all three of those clips we just saw are right. So we need to delve in deeper here. And in this video, the complete truth about passive income will be explained, including how you can get rich and whether you can do it whilst chilling on a beach. So, we all know that the vast majority of people make a living by trading their time for money, right? The education system pushes us to get a job where you get a set hourly, monthly, or annual salary for the work you do. But since there's only so many hours in a day, no matter how hard you work, there's always a ceiling on what you can earn. Sure, over many years you can slowly work your way up the corporate ladder, getting raises, but this is not the way to get seriously rich and retire early. Whereas passive income is the idea that rather than trading your time for a set amount of money, you build or own something of value that brings in money without always requiring direct input from you. Since you're not getting paid based on the amount of time you work, your earnings are no longer capped. And this is essentially the reason some people become rich whilst most people don't. The rich have systems that make them money even while they're not working. Here's an example of the difference between these two ways of earning. A fitness instructor could sell one-to-one personal training sessions and get paid per hour. Or they could make an online course with all of the exercises, tactics, and lessons they would teach in the personal training sessions. Now, even if this personal trainer was full on Elon Musk levels of driven and running 18 one-to-one sessions a day back to back, literally working every waking hour, the absolute most they could ever earn in a day is their hourly rate times 18. Whereas with the course example, once the course is made once, in theory they can sell unlimited copies online in a single day. And since they've already produced the content of the course, as long as they've set up an automatic system so that when someone pays they get access to the course content, then no further work is required. So they could literally be sat on a beach drinking a cocktail while the money is coming in. There's no limit on earnings anymore. It's automated. It's passive income. And this is the big problem with passive income. We get this notion that passive income equals money you earn without doing any work. And although eventually that is the desired goal, what people don't normally mention is that to initially build long-lasting, high-earning passive income streams, it normally requires a lot of work up front. In my experience, it always starts out with putting in loads of time to begin with to eventually get to a point where the income can become passive. I can still remember the first morning where I woke up and had earned money whilst I was asleep. But that wouldn't have happened without putting in weeks or even months of work prior to that to build a system that worked on autopilot. It's the same with our fitness instructor example. It's actually a lot easier initially to find someone to buy the one-to-one personal training sessions. Because to make a course, you have to write, film, and structure all the content. And then to get many sales, you'd probably have to put out some free content to build an audience, or you'd have to learn about digital marketing to advertise it. And there's nothing passive about any of that. So in the short term, it would actually be easier just to go the standard route of trading your time for money. However, I strongly believe that creating these automated passive income streams is the way to win in the long term. Especially because once you've set up one passive income stream, you have more free time to start building a second passive income stream, and then a third, and then a fourth, and then world domination. Okay, maybe not quite, but wealthy people almost always have multiple income streams, but when you're constantly stuck in the loop of trading your time for money, it's really hard to do that. So, the truth is that despite what the ads tell you, there is no magic passive income secret where tomorrow you'll be making 10K while you sleep. The passive income is the end result, not the outcome from day one. And that's why people get discouraged and think passive income is fake. The good news is passive income is very real. You just have to put in the work first to implement systems that work on autopilot. And so for most people, if you are essentially living paycheck to paycheck right now, to break the cycle, you need to put in extra work in the evenings after finishing your main job and committing to researching this further and building something of long-term value. Because like with any form of business, to make money you need to solve a problem for someone. The only real difference with passive income is simply understanding how you can automate that. Anything that can generate revenue without you actually being present. Now, the fact you're still watching this video right now means one of several things. The first is you've just passed out at this point. It all got too much. But hopefully the reason is you're curious about this whole thing and you're ready to start building these passive income streams so you can eventually earn money on autopilot as well. Well, good news, there's several videos coming to this channel breaking down systems that have worked for me, what's working for other people I know, and how they can work for you. So hit that bell icon and YouTube will tell you when the videos are ready for you. Because it's really not an understatement to say that to build a richer life for yourself with more freedom, this topic is vital. But I hope this clarified a few of the misconceptions out there, so please let me know in the comments if you watched all the way to the end of the video so I know what an absolute legend you are. For now though, you're going to want to head on over to this video, where I discuss a great method of making money that anyone can use today. See you there. Cheers.